The harvest starts early here. These coordinated teams work with precision, ensuring the fruit
Loader 3, resume sequence B.
Confirmed. Sequence B active.
Manifests 4 and 5 are cleared for transport.
Keep it steady. We are reaching maximum capacity.
All right, I'm increasing the pressure now.
Here's the break point. Check the metrics for elasticity.
Right here. It looks consistent with the previous batch.
Efficiency is holding steady at 99%.
The yield looks excellent. Let's maintain the current parameters.
The carding process significantly improves the tensile strength of the banana fibers.
Yes, the alignment is nearly perfect on this batch.
Look here, the drying pattern isn't uniform yet.
Yes, I see it. Let's increase the airflow slightly in the lower chamber.
The tension is holding steady at 500 megapascals.
Remarkable for a natural fiber.
Check the laser alignment on table 3.
Looks good from here. We are ready for the cut.
Check the tension on this batch, and the stitching count is slightly off according to the tablet. The tensile strength is holding steady at 500 newtons.
Approved for batch 36B.
Here we see the air removal systems activating, gently compacting the underwear into our signature eco packs.
We have a discrepancy in the briefs inventory at the Hangzhou warehouse.
The shipment is delayed. I'm rerouting from the resupply facility now.
Good. Monitor the flow closely.
Hold it right there. Clear on the left. Bring the next one up. Let's move.
All right, team, next stack moving into the red container. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Adjusting guide ropes now.
Gate is clear. Keep them rolling out. Watch the turns.
You're good to go. Steady on the left side.
Affirmative, Crane 7. Proceed with the transfer of the banana fiber unit to the automated vehicle.
We need that pallet for the southeast truck.
Copy that. Moving it now.
Tower, this is Logistics 1. We have clearance on the organic textiles.
Copy that. Move container 4B to staging area.